Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy using Coinbase wallet. First, you'll need to link a payment method. You can connect your bank account or a debit card directly to your wallet for easy transactions. Make sure your chosen payment method has enough funds to cover your intended purchase. It's also wise to be aware of the transaction fees, which usually fall between 1.49% and 3.99% depending on your region and payment type. This ensures a smooth buying experience. Once your payment method is set up, navigate to the Buy section within your Coinbase wallet. Here, you can browse a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Take your time to choose the digital asset you're interested in, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another coin. After selecting, simply enter the amount you wish to purchase, perhaps $50 or $100, and the wallet will show you the equivalent crypto amount. Before finalizing, a summary of your transaction will appear. It's crucial to carefully review all the details, including the cryptocurrency amount, the total cost, and any applicable fees. If you're sending to another wallet, double-check the recipient address to prevent errors. Finally, you'll authorize the purchase using your wallet's security features, such as a PIN, password, or a biometric scan, ensuring your funds are secure. Congratulations! Your purchase is complete, and your new cryptocurrency will now be visible in your Coinbase wallet. You can view your portfolio to track the value of your assets over time. It's a good practice to regularly monitor the market and consider setting up price alerts. This helps you stay informed about any significant changes, allowing you to manage your digital assets effectively and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.